In this part of the woods calls a cicada, but this cicada has tangled himself up with the praying mantis, and if that wasn't unfortunate enough, a spider as well. One genus, the periodical cicada, spends most of their lives as underground nymphs, emerging only after 13 or 17 years. The unusual duration and timing of their emergence may reduce the number of cicadas lost to predation, both by making them a less reliably available prey, so that any predator who evolved to depend on cicadas for sustenance might starve waiting for their emergence, and by emerging in such huge numbers that they will satiate any remaining predators before losing enough of their numbers to threaten their lives as a species. So I caught 2 fish. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh, you see that? Where is it? There it is. Yeah, he munching along, and that cicada was like making noises, screaming in pain. Where'd it go? Oh no. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's looking at me. It's looking at me. It's gonna come get me. I think he sees us. Let's get out of here. Where's it at? Oh my gosh, everything looks the same. Oh, there it is. Right in the middle of the screen. I'm getting extreme close up. Okay, but now I don't even know where it's at. Oh, there it is. Man, where is it at? Where is it at? Oh man, I'm not a good National Geographic camera guy.